Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am going to show you very important thing for the YouTubers about the lighting. How they can do their lights during the recording and then best quality video recording. Because of the lights you cannot get the good quality, so I am going to show you how you can do at home your own studio light with an umbrella and normal light, normal bulb or energy saver, or you have any old cloth, old umbrella. I using here one umbrella, one old white cloth. This one sticks from the old wardrobe. So you can use the pipe, you can use the PVC pipe, or you can use the stick also can, wood stick also can. This one for the jointing. Then this one I use the LED. This one first experiment, I take out the LED from this light and then use in the umbrella. And then this one is the LED bulb. And then this one for the sewing cloth needle, and then this one measurement tape. So how we going to do the studio light? Let's start. So friends, we cut the aluminum, this one 5-inch sticks. We cut here. This one we need to cut around 8 pieces. We cut all and then we continue because I don't want to waste your time. So friends, we cut ready the sticks around 9 piece, 8 piece, like that. You can cut 9 piece, 8 piece. The 5-inch stick, and then one is this one around 10 inches. So we build first how we do. You can use the PVC pipe also. Anything you have, it's same thing. The PVC pipe or the stick, or you can use anything for this one only for the stand. We build the stand first because it's very important stand. If you don't have a stand, how we put the light, then how we going to put. Friends, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and then if you have any question, comment below. I do the helpful videos always, and I try my best to do the creative videos. What I have in my mind, ideas, I just do the tricks, tips for the helpful everyone. So we just connect the all sticks. It's become a stand for the umbrella light, the studio light. Okay. So as you can see, this one we build the stand first. So now we put here the stick long. We do like that, stick around 4 feet long up, around 4 feet long. We join this stand sticks. Then after we build the light in the umbrella, and then we connect this one. So we just connect this one. So friends, we just connect the sticks. I just use the T. If you have socket, you can use the socket. This one we do around 4 feet. So it become long like that. Okay friends, see, as you can see, stand is ready. You can see I put the stand around 4 to 5 feet. You can make it small also. It's depend on your studio, how you want to going to put. So I just do the 4 feet length. So now after stand we do the umbrella light. So we open the umbrella. As you can see, we need to cut here this stick from here, so we can fix the bulb and then LED around this side. We cut first this one. We cut from this around here, because we cannot cut here. If we cut here, after it will spring will go. So we just cut here, cut this long stick. So friends, we cut ready the stick. We now fix here the holder, then wire we put inside to go out, and then fix here the LED. So we got two lights, one is energy saver or LED bulb, and then this one is LED. So we put the two. Then we open this one, this is stick also, so we can put here the wire and then the connect to the stand. We open this one also. So as you can see the hole, so we pass by our wires, everything from here. Now we try to fix inside the light. We fix the connection first, the bulb holder. I just showing you step by step, so easily you can see how to do. It's very simple and easy. If we buy from the market, this one is cost around $400 to $500. So we can make our own. if the umbrella is transparent, you can put the aluminum paper, you know, the cooking aluminum paper, you can fix inside the umbrella, and then after you can fix the more effective. So this one cable we put inside. We can tie here. I tie here, so you can. Now the second step, we put the LED. I have LED 25 watt, the 6 fluorescent LED, so I don't want to buy. This one is old LED, the already broken holder. I show you. So as you can see here, this one fluorescent LED tube. I don't want to throw because this one already broken, so I cannot fix in the fitting. So better I not throw and then use the LED inside. So I use here. So I try to break first, break in the side out of the rubbish. So I just put in the break and then I show you how. So friends, we just break this one. We take out the important part here. We can take out this LED is okay actually. So just holder broken, that's why I no need to throw. We can clean and then after I show you back. This LED we take out from the spoiled holder LED. So we cut this one. This one is positive, that other side is negative. We use the same thing. We just cut the holder and then after we fix there. So before we fix, we try first if okay or no. So we try first if light is okay or no. So LED light is okay. Supposed to be I want to going to throw, but it's okay working. So we fix in the umbrella. Friends, let's join the connections, LED and bulb, and then fix the cloth. We paste I on already. It's, as you can see, better this bulb I facing to other side, so become shadow on the umbrella, and then umbrella will affect on the white cloth. So I turn the bulb other side. So that is the best way. So now we cover the white cloth. So friends, we sieving first the cloth. This one we sieving first. After we sieving all, and then make it tight. T here for the stand. Then we take out ready the cable. So we go to the stand and then put the cable. So friends, we put the cable inside the pipe until the stand. Then we fix. So this cable inside the pipe. So friends, finally it's looks like that, as you can see. We connect and test how. So friends, this one is final look. You can see. If I off the light, you can see the light effect. It's very nice. Like this video and then helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and then if you have any question, comment below. I will 100% reply the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.